In this video, I'll show you how you can copy and paste in PC or in laptop. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, when it comes to operating your desktop or your PC or your Windows, copying and pasting items, documents, and text is very crucial, right? So as you can do that with ease. And in this video, I'll show you how you can copy and paste anything you want to copy and paste on your Windows or your PC or your laptop. At first, what you need to do, you need to learn how to right click your mouse, right? If you right click your mouse, you'll be displayed with some options. This is the paste option, right? So what I need to do now, I want to copy this YouTube folder, right? You'd at first tap on it, then you'd right click on it. Once I've right clicked on it, you'd see this copy and you would see this copy, Control C, right? I'll click on it, then I can come onto here. I'll left click my mouse. I'll right click my mouse. I'll press the paste instantly. So this is how you can copy and paste anything you want to copy and paste, right, on your PC. This is how you can copy and paste anything you want to copy and paste on your PC. I can still do that for my document. Let's say I'll open this up. So you can literally do this aside even copying and pasting on your PC. You can copy Word documents. You can copy anything you want to copy and paste here on your PC or Windows. So let's wait for it to open a bit. Okay, so my Microsoft Word has finally opened, and I'll show you how you can copy and paste text in here in Microsoft Word, right? I'll come on here and type in HowTo Edu, right? HowTo Edu. So I want to copy this text and paste it, right? I'll right click my mouse. I'll right click my mouse, I'll drag it, right? You'd right click it. Once I right click it, you'll see this copy option, right? You tap on the copy option, then you can come on here. You can come on here. You'll see the paste option, right? You paste it, right? So the next way you can copy and paste here on PC, you'd click on the Ctrl Z, right? To highlight what you want to copy. That is Ctrl A, right? You would click on the Ctrl A to highlight it. Then you'd right click on your mouse. You'll see the copy option, copy it. You can adjust this down. Then you'd click the Ctrl V. It will paste it, right? Ctrl V. It will paste it, right? So this is how you can copy and paste anything you want to copy and paste here on your PC, Windows or laptop. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.